Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be discussing how do we spy on a certain website to know what is the framework that they're using, what software that they are using, what's the CRM that they are using, and also to check what is the color code of some of the website, as in like this banner or this button, or what's the colors, and also what's the font that they use. So this is I'll be sharing 3 spy tools that you can use to check on any website that you want to model, not just only the content but also the technical structure of the website or the landing page. So let's get into it. Okay, so now we are at the Google Chrome Web Store. So this is where you get all your extensions. I hope you don't mind. Sometimes I get confused between plugin and extension because WordPress use plugin. In Google Chrome Web Store I use extension. So sometimes I get confused in the words when I speak. So hope it's understandable. But what I meant the same. Okay, so now back to this disclaimer first. So now extension. Let's talk about extensions. So if you notice on top of my Google Chrome, there's a lot of extensions here. But I'm going to recommend you these 3 extensions that you can use to spy on your or model to spy and to model your not competitor. When you do research, you want to like model them, you want to follow exactly their framework, what software that they use, what font, what color they use. So this is the 3 extension that I would highly suggest you to use and to install in your Google browser. So the first extension is WhatRuns. Okay, so look at this WhatRuns. And what it do is able to check the framework, the tools, the plugin, the fonts, and what kind of framework, what kind of CRM they use. So let me just, I already installed this. So as you can see, this red color, small little extension in Google Chrome, this is what runs. So I open a few pages that you can see, that you can compare. So for example, you go to like Expert Secrets. This is Russell Brunson's website. And what does he use to to do this? This is like a sales page. And what kind of extension does he use? So you click on what runs, and then you can see. Okay, um, so he's the one that built ClickFunnels. So obviously you can see the sales and marketing is ClickFunnels. The payment processor that he uses is Stripe. This is the advertising platform they use: Bing Ads, Taboola, Facebook Pixels, and this is the font sans serif. This is the framework. If you know software, if you know how to do programming, this is the framework that they use: Ruby on Rails. So I mean, for a front end, is consists of just 3 things, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But I'm not a programmer, so I'm not very sure as well. Uh, but this is a good framework for you to see. At least you know, okay, this will use ClickFunnels, so I can use ClickFunnels to do exactly the same thing as what you did. Okay, the next page, the next website I can show you is Neil Patel. He's also another very famous marketer. So when you check his website, okay, you know that he used WordPress. His theme is Neil Patel. Most probably he used a custom-made theme. And the sales marketing, you use HubSpot. Some plugin you use SEO. Use SEO is an SEO plugin for WordPress. And Google Tag Manager, this is the font that he used. And also using Facebook Pixel. Yep, there's widgets and YouTube. Pretty comprehensive. Another website I'm going to show you is Founder. I think this is a lot of entrepreneurs are aware of this, or startups are aware of this website. So how do you create similar kind of website like this? Of course, it's tough because it's a full-fledged website, but at least you get to know. And if you were to talk to programmer, anything, you can use exactly what you have known from here. So you know that it's made from WordPress. Okay, and it's included WooCommerce inside it as well. And this is all the framework. And the software that I'm using is Infusionsoft, Sumo, and Pickrel. This one may have to Google and see what is it about. Facebook Pixel is there. And the landing page that they use, I think when you open a certain pages, you'll see there's a landing page where you can put opt-in and things like that. And they're using lead pages for their landing pages. This is their fonts. How about entrepreneur.com? Okay, you click to WhatRuns, and then you see what they are using. Usually when you see like their web server and things like that, most probably they are hard coded. I mean, not hard coded, they are coded by programmers, so they are not using like WordPress or any other web builder like Wix or things like that. So this is purely made by programming language, which as I mentioned just now, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then the backend will be all the database which I'm not very familiar with. Okay, so this is how you use WhatRuns. The second one that I would suggest you to use, which is to know what is the color of the website, what kind of color scheme that they use. So you can see this is a pretty black and white. I mean, you can see, but you want to be sure. So you use this extension called Colorzilla. So what the Colorzilla do is they pick, for example, okay, let me show you just an example. You go to, you can see here, this is the Colorzilla plugin, extension, sorry. For example, you go Expert Secrets, you know it's black, but you want to know what's the color of this orange. What exactly is the color? So you click on this Colorzilla, then you see something come out, then you can see everywhere you go, you can see the color. The font is not even pure white. Oh yeah, it is. FFF is white. Go to orange, then you can see this is the code, FF6100. You can use the code and put it into your own web design and things like that. Like, what is this blue color? You want to know the blue color? Just click to here, click the blue. You can just copy the blue color, exactly what's the code, and use the code. Or maybe this color, what red is he using? This is not pure red. You can just go here. Oh, sorry. Just find the red. Okay, this is the red. There. Use exactly the red. And even this is not white, this is gray. So you want to know exactly what kind of color that he used, that you can model and use it into your website to see which one convert. Like this button, they put orange. Why? Maybe orange invoke buying habits, so that's why they put orange. And red also is a sense of urgency, so you invoke like a buying habit, so you use many reds, videos and stuff like that. So to here, oh, you see this like orange color, but even the background is not pure white. So you know what color is it? Yeah, you know it's F8, F8, F8. Maybe what orange that he used. Yeah. And so on. So this website you can search as well what pink this fellow is using. There, then you can just copy the thing and just use it in your own web design, in your funnel, in your landing page. So the third one I want to recommend is WhatFont. WhatFont. So with this, you get to know what font that they are using. I know when you do the WhatRun, you can see the font, but with this, you can know exactly the size and the color of the font. So for example, you go to Expert Secrets, like this orange bold thing, you'll know what's the font. You go to this, I already installed the extension, so this is the extension, what font. Click on the font, click on it, and then you just go to here. It's sans serif, you click on it, there you can see what's the style, what's the weight, what's the size, line height, color, everything is there. How about you go to Patel? You want to know what's the font? Germanis, Helvetica, weight, size, line, color, everything is there. Germanis. How about Founder? That's it. Oh, these look very striking, right? Or swap with the color and things like that. How about Entrepreneur? So you want to know why this small little button, why is it here, and what's the font that they use? PT Sans. What's the color of the font, size? Yeah. So this is the three extension that I recommend, which is so happen to be my first three as well because I use it quite often when I want to build funnels and things like that. And also to spy, to model certain landing page that I see, I feel that it is interesting, and I think the flow is good, so I want to know what it is made of. and I want to know what kind of color that they use and why they use the color and what's the font that they use. So to recap, the first one I recommend is WhatRuns. Second is Colorzilla to get all the colors. And last and not least is what font. Know exactly the font, what's the size, and yeah, the details of the font. Okay. So once you know what they use, maybe you can use the same thing, or you can find something similar, cheaper that you can use also. So I hope this helped, and if you like what I shared, do like my video and please subscribe to give me a support. And I talk to you next time. Bye bye.